Wonders of matter. Pop-Pop-Popsicle.
Hey, Mylo, what are you doing?
Hey, Raye, I'm getting ready to make some popsicles.
Yay! But how do we make popsicles?
Let me show you. But first, let's learn a new word together. M-A-T-T-E-R.
Oh, wait, what's matter?
Matter is all around us. It's everything we can taste, touch, or smell. It's anything that takes up space and has weight.
I get it. The book says matter also comes in 3 forms: solids, liquids, or gases. Solids have a fixed shape and size and cannot change shape easily.
That's right. Then we have liquids. Liquids can move, flow, and change shape when poured into a container, like when you pour your favorite juice pack into a bowl.
There's also gases. We can't always see gases, but we know they have weight and take up space.
Like the air that we're using to blow up this hat. Will you help us stir this mixture? First, put your hands out in front of you to hold your spoon. Let's stir the mixture round and round. Hey parents, you can also sing this song with your kids as you make your own popsicles. We stir the juice round and round, round and round, round and round. We pour and freeze, then wait a while. Popsicles make us smile. Let's pour our mixture into the popsicle trays. Then place a popsicle stick into each tray. Now, into the freezer.
Why the freezer? It's so cold.
That's because we're gonna turn this liquid into a solid. Water freezes and turns to solid ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Now, we'll have to wait a couple hours.
Mylo, do I have to wait that long?
Yup, liquids need time to freeze. But I thought you might want one now. So I made a batch yesterday. Here you go.
Yay! Thank you so much.
We hope you learned something new today. The fun doesn't stop here. We've packed a description with fun resources for you to try. If your little one had fun with us today, spread the joy. We'd love for you to share this video with other parents and give us a like. See you again soon.
Bye-bye.